Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today's the 25th of January 2022. I'm going to do another look back because, these YouTubers are not going to come back and give you an update on some of their stock price targets, their predictions that they were looking forward to over the last year or so. So since they're not going to do it, I'm going to do it for them. We're going to come through and see the performance of what these stock picks have done since they uploaded these videos to YouTube. Welcome to HueFin, also known as HueFin. This is what I do. I do price predictions without the confusion, right? You see so many other YouTubers out here on these YouTube streets giving you all some type of fundamental analysis, some type of technical analysis, some type of technical indicators to try to persuade you that they actually understand how to pick stocks. Well, that's not always the case. I mean, you guys can see right here in front of you, you guys can see that a video was completed by Tom Nash telling us all that he has a price target for DraftKings to hit $100, $200 over 2021 and 2022. Now, this video was actually posted to YouTube on November the 30th, 2020. So we're well within a year of us looking for DraftKings to hit $100 to $200. We're going to look at the price chart to see what happened since this video was uploaded to YouTube. Now, I also pulled a small little clip snippet as to what he felt about DraftKings at that time. And we're going to see what he said, and then we're going to look at the price chart. So let's go ahead and take a listen real quick to see what he felt about DraftKings. So check this out.
Now here's my DCF. As always, you feel free to challenge my assumptions. They're right here. This is my cash flow projected all the way to 2024. These are the tax and the tax credits. We're not going to go through that right now. It's too boring. But basically, based on my projections, as you can see here, I project that the share price should be 61.06 based on the value of company of 22.4 billion.
Okay, so he said the value at that time for DraftKings was around $61. Cool. No problems with that. Let's continue.
Now that means we have a 15% upside or an $8 upside, whatever you want to take a look at it, of the company today. These are based on conservative estimations that the company isn't going to go parabolic. So I see the company as grossly undervalued right now.
Did you hear that? He sees the company grossly undervalued right now. That was in November. Okay, let's listen again.
That the company isn't going to go parabolic. So I see the company as grossly undervalued right now, today, by 15%. And I believe that my estimations are extremely conservative. In fact, I believe the real price beyond what the DCF can show you as far as future and potential is anywhere from $100 to $200 within the next 2 years.
There you hear. He sees DraftKings going over the next 2 years to $100 to $200. So his original DCF price target was conservative. Okay. Let's listen again.
Now here's my DCF. We have a 15% upside or an $8 upside, whatever you want to take a look at it, of the company today. These are based on conservative estimations that the company isn't going to go parabolic. So I see the company as grossly undervalued right now, today, by 15%. And I believe that my estimations are extremely conservative. In fact, I believe the real price beyond what the DCF can show you as far as future and potential is anywhere from $100 to $200 within the next 2 years.
There you guys. You heard it for yourself. He's looking for DraftKings to go to $100 to $200. That's why I got it on the screenshot still right there to show you that his target price for DraftKings for 2021-2022 is between $100 and $200. So now let's go ahead and look at the chart real quick to see what has been the performance of DraftKings. Let's take a look, because he said that his original price target for DraftKings was around $61.06, right? This is where the video was posted to YouTube right here. Now, if we were to take the market there to when the video was posted to YouTube, the market in DraftKings actually hit a high of about $74. So within a 4-month time span, he actually hit his price target. Kudos, wonderful, congratulations. Oh, but wait, he's supposed to be a long-term investor, so he would not have taken the profits out of the market within the 4-month period. So you may not have gotten out that 42.25% when the market in DraftKings hit that all-time high around $74.25. So he called his price target at $61.06, but it was very conservative. It was only a 15% market move higher. But would you have taken the bag? Would you have taken the profitability? That is the thing. If you're a long-term investor, I would not expect you to take the profitability in 4 months. You're looking to expand your profitability long-term, right? So let's take this away, because you would not have taken the profitability out then. So if you didn't take it out 4 months ago, when this video was posted to YouTube, then you're down around 61.5% right now. Look at all of the value that has left out of the market in DraftKings. So now, just for you to break even from when he created that video, right? You would have to see this stock's price increase around 162%, right there. Just for you to break even, this market in DraftKings will have to run a massive bullish trend and go up 162%. Yeah, you're down 61.5%, but in order for you just to recoup and break even those losses, you're down. The market will have to go up 162%. But wait, he said that he's looking for the price to go to $200 this year. He has given the market from 2021 to 2022 to see DraftKings go to $100. So now let's see how far we are in terms of percentages to see the market in DraftKings hit $100. Let's see. Now, this market in DraftKings would have to increase 400% from where price is right now just for it to hit $100 throughout the rest of this year. 400%. What about that $200 price target? So we got 400% for the market in DraftKings to go up to 100, and for us to go to $200, the market has to go up 900% just for DraftKings to hit $200. Now, I think that's less likely to occur throughout this year. To see a stock go up 900% in 11 months, that's astronomical. Every star will have to align for that to happen. Do he still have time to see the price in DraftKings come to 100? Yeah, it could happen. 400% run, especially if we had one of those monumental runs that we had in the beginning of last year, to where majority of every stock was going up. But as time goes on, even seeing the price in DraftKings hit $100 is less and less likely. See, this is why you need these YouTubers to come back and update you all as to, okay, what's been going on. Yes, I have given you my DCF at that time, but obviously the price has gone down substantially. So obviously that DCF that I've shown you on that clip, it is garbage now. He'll have to come in and finagle and move around some numbers to convince you as to what the price actually should be now. Because those numbers that I've shown you on that clip was only applicable to see DraftKings price go to $61. Well, now it's at 20. So what numbers are you going to throw at us now? Yeah, now you have to paint a picture, show us a story to convince us as to this is why DraftKings is worth this price now. This is why you can't do fundamental analysis from my perspective, because you will always have to come back, and especially when the market drops drastically, and try to figure out, okay, what other numbers can I input into this spreadsheet now to figure out what it is. Why is the price worth $20 now? This is why I only focus in on the price chart. I don't focus on anything else. Everything else is irrelevant. Everything. The only thing that matters here is what you and I are willing to buy and sell these stocks for. That is the only thing that matters. The only thing. Because Tom's DCF could not tell you that price was going to go down. His DCF that he's shown you back in November was to show you that the stock price should be worth $61. He should have came back after the market hit $61, hit his price target on his DCF, and had given you an updated DCF as to where price to go next. And it wouldn't have shown you that it's going to come all the way down to $20. No, not at that time. It would not have shown you that. But we're here now. And another thing that I like about these YouTubers, that if you look at the comments, the day that these videos are posted, you see the praises, you see the appreciation, you see all the thank you, Tom, for showing me this information. Let's take a look at a couple of these comments real quick. This one a year ago. All right. You're the only YouTube finance guy I watch. Okay. Love the no BS, no clickbait, no stupid thumbnail with your jaw dropping and hands on your face and making 100,000 videos about the same stock. Straight to the point. Okay. Straight to the point. Keep it up and don't change your style. Glad we're back onto practical, real stuff. Thank you for including the analysis. I'm new to stock investing and I hate it when other channels just tell you to buy stock without explaining in detail why. He needs to come back and explain why DraftKings is down to $20 and he's looking for the price to go to 100 to 200. I love your channel and your no BS approach. Love the Stock Mo shout out too. Oh, he shout out Stock Mo in this video? Oh, wow. He's another one of my favorites. Tom, I'm happy to see that you have a high standing on your principles. I hope as time goes that you will still be the same person who uploads his moral beliefs. You see, look at all these comments over a year ago. Thank you. Amazing content. Everything is kudos. Everything is happy. Everything is ponies. Everything is rainbows. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Right? But now let's see what happened next. As time goes on, other people who see this video begin to question. Tony, this was 3 weeks ago. Update. Yeah. Update. You hear crickets. You don't hear Tom doing another video about DraftKings, about his $100 to $200 price target. You hear crickets. No reply, no updated video. Can you do an updated video on DraftKings? That was a month ago. Somebody even wrote a comment a month ago as well. Tom, this one did not age well. Another one a month ago. Yeah, how's that DraftKings stock going down? See that? And he's not replying to those comments. But he hit like buttons in the very beginning. People are asking him for an update. Nobody's asking you to be correct all the time. But when you're seeing the price go against your original price target, your original long-term expectations, you need to come in and tell everyone what happened, where did I go wrong, what information did I miss out on to make these viewers better. Right? That's what you got to do. So now I'm done. This is it. I simply come through from my perspective and pay attention to this. This is the only thing you need to figure out where the market is going to go. And if you guys want to get more of this information, like I said, I am here. I don't do no DCFs. I don't look at the company's balance sheets, income statements, EBITDA, none of that, because it cannot tell you when price is going to go down. It cannot tell you why price is going down, and it cannot tell you how low it's going to go. That's why I don't use it. I simply pay attention to what the money is doing. And you can see that basically off of the price chart. You guys can see I already got a price prediction on the chart right now. So now, if you guys want to join this team, the doors are open. Hit that like button, share, and also subscribe here to the channel to make sure you guys stay updated as to where price is going to go.